In front of us is Grundig 43-inch GIQ8900B, and I'm making this video to show you how you can output Dolby Atmos and DTS and other multi-channel lossless audio formats using HDMI eARC functionality. Actually, in the review of this TV, I mentioned that I was only able to get PCM 2-channel audio, and that's because when I was going to TV options and in sound submenu, I could not find any option to choose digital sound output type. There was only eARC option and I had it set it to auto. However, if I press the same settings button and go to settings, here under display and sound, I found audio output option. And here you need to set it to bypass. Only then you will get all the formats from the TV to external device. In this case, I'm using Denon AV receiver. So basically that's it. Make sure you're using correct HDMI output with eARC written next to it. Enable eARC in the sound submenu, and then for sound output, select bypass. That's all for this video. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.